down these cool fills under 1, 2, 3 progression, okay? And also stick to the end of the video because I'll be giving bonuses under this 1, 2, and 3 progression so that you can also use in the progression, okay? If you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons. If you are interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. But before we start the breakdown, at the start of this video, I'll be playing the cover of the song we will be going through. If in case the song didn't start or there is no song starting at this video, I might delete the song because of the copyright issue, okay? But I'll be uploading the song that is the cover in my second channel. Click on this link, go and watch the groove, understand it, and come back and watch the breakdown, okay? As I said earlier, we'll be looking at 1, 2, 3 and some few other things, okay? So G says dun 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 dun. Okay, so it goes like this on your 1. Okay, so you pluck like 2 times on your 1, then the remaining 2 you have to apply a fills that will take you direct to your re, okay? Because in every note we are plucking G dun 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 dun. Okay, so okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so 5 6 5. Okay, then you play 4 3 2. Then you come back to your 6 4 3 2. That is, you play the same 4 3 2 on your 5th string, okay? So you'll be playing the 4 3 2 firstly on your 3rd string and secondly on your 5th string, okay? So G. Okay, so now we'll be going to the 3, okay? It's very simple. 1 2 2 3. So your 1 2 on your 3rd string, 1 2, then your 2 3 on your 5th string. You can do it. Okay, 1 2 3 or okay, so G. Okay, and the second way you can also play this 1 2 3 progression fills goes like this. Okay, so 1 6 2 3 2. Okay, 1 6 2 3 2. Okay, then to your 3. Okay, 5 6 5 4 2 3. Okay, so put these 2 lines in your mind. And the second one. Okay, then to your 6. Okay, 6 7 1 3 2 3 4 5. Okay, so in the song I played some cool lines and I want to break it down for you guys in case. Okay, so okay, so let me break it down for you from my 1 to 5. Okay, so 1 to 5. So okay, so 1 1 1 1 6 5 3 2 7 and your 5 4 4 and your 1. Okay, so 1 1 2 3 3 6 5 3 2. Okay, then you play your 6 5, then your 4. Okay, okay, so the first one. Okay, so I want you to capture the 1 2 3 bass fills and learn them very well and try and use them in other songs with the same progression. Okay, or you can also use, maybe you are in a song, maybe from your 6, even from your 6 to your 2. You just need to know that on your 2 progression you can do. Okay, then you can go even to your 4 or something else. Okay, so just learn the bass fills very well and master them. Yeah, just master them and try and use them very well. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.